All right, plotting points. Who gets first? We got a bazillion of these, right? 2.7, negative. 2.
Do we have to write in the numbers too then?
Yes. And then a 0.7. That way you know where everything's at. I might have made this a little large.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. And y equals?
4.
4. Here's where things get a little interesting, unfortunately. Critical point. X equals 0. Goes right here?
Yeah.
No, because isn't it?
It's a math.
What am I trying to graph? That. When x equals 0, what's y? 4. So that's my critical point, and that one was a maximum. It's location, location, location. X equals 4, which is out here a little farther than I wanted it to be, but it'll work. X equals 4 is the other critical point. Is that where this goes?
No.
I got to plug in 4 into the original problem, and this gets fairly large. 4 cubed minus 6 times 4 squared plus 4. 64 minus 16 times 6. About 52? 72. Right? 16 times
6?
Yeah.
96. 96.
I was close, wasn't I? What do you get for an answer?
I got -20.
What'd you get? Negative what?
Was it negative 36?
I got 28. Negative 28.
Close.
28?
Yeah.
That's what you guys want to go with. Negative 28. So, obviously this is all kind of messed up scale-wise. So I'm going to pick negative 28. Be right there. For fun. That's my minimum. 4 and negative 28. An IP is at x equals 2. Hallelujah. Because that's right there. How'd I know that? Because that's when x is 2, y is 0.
What was that for?
My IP.
Oh. And what'd you just do?
I just plugged in x equals 2.
Did you into there, or you just have to?
Well, I know it's an x-intercept.
Oh. So if it's not, then you'd put it in the.
Yeah, if you don't have it, if it's not an x or y intercept or an asymptote, then you got to plug it in. And that's where it stinks. All right, ready to connect the dots? If I look at my chart, 0 is my first thing I come into from the left. That's over this way, but I got a spot here and a spot here. I have to be increasing and concave down. That's going to look like that. I'm going to draw it this way because it's easier. Increasing, concave down. Then I'm going to be decreasing and concave down until I get to 2. But I got to go through 0.7.
Oh crap! I screwed that up.
How's that going to work?
I don't know.
We're just
Is it wrong?
Is there something wrong?
Polyphenol could be wrong. Yeah, I got different numbers for the polyphenol.
Well, thanks, Kev.
So did I.
So what did we get? What did we get?
I had like
5.9
Yeah, I got 5.
0.9 and negative 0.8.
let's go back and what do we got? Different ones?
Yeah.
So, my x-intercepts are different.
That's why I thought I was.
What'd you have?
What do you go to?
5.9,
5.9,
0.9,
0.9,
and negative 0.8.
negative 0.8. Okay. That changes things a little bit, doesn't it? That's 0.9. I can make this negative 0.8 without a problem. But this 2 here is an issue.
Because now that's not your IP.
Now it's not my IP anymore. And I got 5.9 over here. So if I go back and plot the IP, I actually have to find out where 2's at. F of 2. 2 cubed minus 6 times 2 squared plus 4. Is that right? So 8 minus 24 plus 4 is negative 12. That'll make life a little better. 2 and negative 12. There's an IP. Now, I probably should, I'm going to move this down a little farther. Scale-wise, this is not going to look very good at all.
Are you gonna make them as big on the test?
Huh?
You gonna make them large?
You can dry whatever you want and have your own space like you got down there. And it all depends on which one you get. So now I got to go decreasing end down from here all the way to here, right? And so it's going to look like that. I got to go through. Okay. And then from 2 to 4 I'm still decreasing, but I'm concave up. And then from 4 on I'm increasing in concave up. Got to go through 5.9. So it looks like that. Lesson learned is, hey, you start putting things together, and this happens, and it doesn't look right. Something's not fitting. Then you screwed up something over here. Cross-check it. Don't try and make this fit with bad information, okay? So go back and check what you got. Make sure you've done something wrong somewhere. Make sure you can find it. What do we got to do last? Range, right? Does this roller coaster take you everywhere?
No.
Do I go all the way up? Would I end up going all the way down? Yes. Just takes you everywhere. All areas.